friends, welcome to my channel. This is Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So in today's video we are going to talk about my new Zenith nutrition product. As I said in my previous video, that I just love using this Zenith nutrition products. I have already made a video on apple cider vinegar of weight loss, for weight loss actually. So today we are going to talk about D3 plus K2, vitamin D3 plus K2 from this Zenith nutrition. What are the benefits of it, why I'm taking it, and every single thing about it. So friends, without delaying, let's get started. Guys, we know that we all are suffering from many crises nowadays, and like we have anxiety, tension, depression in us. So for that, D3 helps a lot in maintaining your health balance, in maintaining your healthy brain. It calms you, making your mind, it will not gonna distract your mind. There are so many benefits. As I said, it's gonna help you in improving your teeth. It's gonna make your teeth strong and white. It helps in making your bones stronger. If you are like having that paining on your knee pain, if you're having joint pains, then it will gonna help you a lot in making your bones and making your teeth stronger, because of course it is having calcium in it, vitamin. The other benefit of taking this vitamin D3 plus K2 is that it will gonna help you in reducing of getting flu, because as we all know, weather and everything is going on, so many things are going on around us. So D3 and plus K2 will gonna help you in making your immune strong, making your bones strong, it will gonna give you a healthy peace of mind too. So D3 and K2 helps you in many ways. So it is like high potency bioactive vitamin D and K, high quality nutrition supplements, convenient support for bone health, supports immunity, as I said, because nowadays immunity is the most important thing for all of us. So this is having 60 vegetarian capsules. So here it is written: no sugar, no preservatives, no corn, no soya, no dairy, yeast free and gluten free. So this is like totally a pure form of it. Then it is like this dietary supplement includes the combination of active ingredients vitamin D3 and K2 to maximize the effect of both the weight vitamins. Vitamins D3 contributes to absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the body. Vitamin K2 directs reserve and calcium in arteries, joints and organs. So beauties, this D3 and K2 will gonna help you a lot, will gonna resolve many of your problems. Direction of uses are: you have to take 1 capsule of it after a meal. It is also written here, direction: as a dietary supplement, take 1 serving daily after meal. So it is written like that. So you have to take 1 capsule. I usually take in afternoon, so take 1 capsule of it after lunch. So this is how you have to take it, and trust me, this is so good. If you're having a bone problem, if you're having a low immunity, I think you all should take it, because strong immunity is it's a super important thing nowadays. So just go with this. So friends, I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. If you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna answer you. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.